Question 6. Figure 1 shows a sketch of triangle ABC. Given that A to B is minus 3i minus 4j minus 5k, and that B to C is I plus j plus 4k, find A to C. Well, if I want to get from A to C, I can go along A to B and then along B to C. So I can write that A to C is the same as A to B plus B to C. These are both given to me. So it's equal to minus 3i minus 4j minus 5k plus I plus j plus 4k. Collecting the i's, the j's and the k's gives me minus 2i minus 3j minus k. Part B, I want to show that cos ABC is equal to 9/10. I'm going to start by labeling this diagram that I'm given so that I can see what is the angle ABC. So this angle marked X is my angle ABC, and I know the lengths of AB, BC and AC to be the modulus of their vectors. We're also going to bring in our cosine rule at this point. The cosine rule does need to be remembered now at A level, so whichever form you choose to remember it in, this is the form I generally remember, and then I would need to rearrange because I want to show that cos ABC, which I've labelled X, is equal to 9/10, and I know it to be equal to this. So my modulus of AB is the square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 5 squared. The modulus of BC is the modulus of 1 squared plus 1 squared plus 4 squared. And the modulus of AC, from my answer to part A, is 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 1 squared. These corresponding values then are root 50, root 18 and root 14. Substituting these values of the modulus AB, BC and AC into my cosine rule, which I've rearranged, gives me that cos of ABC is equal to 50 plus 18 minus 14 over 2 times root 50 times root 18, which is 54 over 60. These both divide by 6, and so I can finally write that my cos ABC is equal to 9/10.